There's good news tonight about a show of force in disguise for angels right here on Earth, honoring the frontline workers, putting their own lives on the line, serving our country during this COVID crisis. High over the National Mall today, a remarkable show of appreciation for those on the front lines. The U.S. Navy Blue Angels and the Air Force Thunderbirds together, flying over Baltimore, Washington, D.C., and Atlanta, to say thank you to healthcare workers.
For us to get together in this way that really doesn't happen very often, I think that's a really nice way for us to show how much they mean to us.
And giving everyone watching below a welcome moment of joy and pride. For Lauren Rickoff, today's flyover had special meaning. She is a physician's assistant at Wellstar Kennett Stone Hospital in Atlanta. Her brother-in-law, Lieutenant Commander Kerry Rickoff, is one of the Blue Angels pilots soaring overhead, saying thank you to her and all those fighting the pandemic.
I also hear from all of my colleagues who were at the hospital saying that they were all together watching and how happy they were. And it was just such a special moment that really touched my heart.
It's not just the elite Blue Angels and Thunderbirds. Air Force pilots in Oklahoma and Air National Guardsmen in Indiana, Louisiana, and Kentucky also streaked across the sky to show their gratitude. Those moments on the ground making it all worth it for the pilots in the air.
What has been the reaction? What have you heard from the healthcare workers and others?
The response on the ground has been absolutely amazing. Seeing people cheering, clapping, in some cases, some people crying, because it's one moment where they can kind of remove the stress that's been on their shoulders, look up to the skies and have a moment of inspiration.
A message of unity and support for our healthcare workers written in the sky.
Hey, NBC News fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.